Hey, what is up people, this is Abhijit, your host from Abhijit YouTube channel, and in this video we are gonna talk about newly launched world first 5 rear camera smartphone that recently launched in Mobile World Congress. And this video from Mrwhosetheboss YouTube channel, and he is my favorite YouTuber and all credit goes to him. So let's jump on the specification. So this mobile having 5 rear camera with 12 megapixel each camera and having 20 megapixel selfie camera, and this mobile is powered by IP67. This is the first mobile from the Nokia that having in-display fingerprint sensor and having face unlock also, and this mobile is powered by Snapdragon 845 processor. This mobile is powered by latest Android 9 Pie, and this is a Android One smartphone and having 6GB RAM and 128GB internal memory. And let's talk about the display. It having pure display 5.99 inch, and that is a QHD and 2K display powered by Gorilla Glass 5. And other specification like it having USB-C type with 3320 mAh battery, and it does support wireless charging. This is the first smartphone from Nokia that support wireless charging, and it having water IP67 water resistant and dust resistant. And this mobile also support quick charging with wireless charging, and it does have 3 mic with special recording, and you can record up to 4K video in HDR. About when this mobile will come in market and what is the price and availability. So this mobile having price $699 in US, approximately 50,000 rupees, and this mobile is gonna launch on March 2019, and we hope this mobile is gonna launch in India soon. So this is all about guys, and if you like this video please give big thumbs up for the Nokia also, because it's having first 5 rear camera guys, and subscribe to my channel also, and let's meet in next video. Till then, bye.